for another video. So we just finished dropping Destiny off at school, and John and I getting ready to go to Sam's Club. Say hi, babe.
What's up, y'all?
The one thing I love about Sam's Club, we have the executive membership. That's what it's called. You get to go super early before everybody else gets to go, so that's a plus for us because we get to handle our business and then come back home. There's a few things I need to get, so I wanted to just go ahead and get it. Like I need to get some fruit and stuff, so I will take you guys along with me today. Alright guys, so of course I have to come in here and look at the ribbon. Look at this one. That is pretty. They have a bunch of them. I did get one last time. I think I got this one right here. But you can't beat the prices. I think it's like six something for the ribbon. Yeah. Oh my god. So this Christmas tree is $149. Look how pretty it is. This Christmas tree, how many feet? 9 feet, and it's pre-lit as well. That's pretty. Y'all, they got Christmas stuff out. Was that a gnome? I think, yeah, it's a 36-inch tall gnome as well. 59? Yeah. Oh my God, who's ready for Christmas? This nutcracker is $229.98. Y'all see this thing? Wow, this thing is huge. It's a storage shed. Sam's Club got a lot of the airwicks in here. So they have the, what scent is this one? Freshwater scent. They have the Hawaii scent, the lavender chamomile, and then they have other scents over here as well. And then they have the Glade. But over here, sorry for the background noise, you guys. They also have brown sugar and vanilla. Y'all, look at this. Have y'all seen this before? The Comet spray disinfectant. I guess it's supposed to be just like the Lysol as well. I've never seen this before. That's so cool. Sections at Sam's Club. Look at the variety: vanilla extract, lemon extract, and almond extract. Luckily I don't need any right now. For example, Costco only has one variety of one item versus Sam's Club. They have milk chocolate chips. They have semi-sweet chocolate chips. They have dark chocolate chips on this side. Also have the pumpkin spice quick bread and pancakes. Oh, let me see. I'm just looking for this. Guys, so I'm going to be sharing a grocery haul with you guys in the trunk. So the first thing that I got is a bag of cuties. Also got some strawberries, which by the way, the prices of strawberries went up already. We got some candy hearts. These are, is this supposed to be like extra sweet, like candy corn? Not candy corn.
No, the cotton candy grapes is like $4 a pound almost.
Okay, go ahead. I got these treats to, you know, because it's the season and to bake with, so I might use this in cupcakes and cookies and different type of treats. I also got this for John and I to eat for lunch. It's a 2-pack of Southwest style salad. Got the kids some Colby Jack cheese. We also got some bananas. I also wanted to try the Premier shake in the caramel. I've had this before, but I'm gonna start using this in my coffee. I'm trying to cut back on the sugar that I drink in my creamer, and I'm almost done with the ones that I normally drink. So I got this for when I finish the creamer that I use. We also got some Kool-Aid pouches for the kids' lunch boxes, some Powerade as well. Already know that we love these Twist sugar-free drinks in the blueberry. They have blueberry. What is it? Also strawberry, and what's the other one? Like mango or
like
orange? Yeah, orange flavor.
Or something like that.
We also love the sparkling ice zero sugar sparkling water. It is so good. I got some more of the Laurie's seasoning salt as well, and we needed some more Cascade pots for the dishwasher, which we're like less than halfway in a jar, and usually I don't wait. Once it gets to that point, that's when we buy some more dishwasher pots. John had to get a watermelon.
That's right.
So this is everything that we got, and we ended up spending $125. Guys, so now we are back home. We actually been home for quite a few hours now. And I took a nap on the couch. I took a nap in my room. My monthly friend came to visit, so it kind of took me down. I went straight downhill after that. But I am making rigatoni for dinner tonight. Exactly what I'm making, right? Sausage rigatoni. That's what I'm making. I'm serving that with salad and dinner rolls, the Sister Schubert's that I showed you guys from my last video. So let me show you guys the ingredients that I'm going to be using. So I already went ahead and cut up a whole onion. So the recipe is being doubled because the serving that I asked for, that's not enough for my family. I also have garlic, 2 cans of diced tomatoes, 1 whole can of crushed tomatoes, and this basil came from my garden. It came from my garden. I feel so bougie saying that I got my basil from my garden, but that's what I'll be using. So I got that, and then I got 2 packages of the sausage, ground sausage. I got some rigatoni pasta, Parmesan cheese, and I'll be using 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. The recipe is in my Fall's Dinners link if you guys want to go ahead and check it out. It's very easy to make. You pretty much boil the pasta, set that aside. I'm going to be using the same pot because I don't like dirtying up a bunch of dishes. So I'll just boil the pasta first, drain that, and use the same pot to clean the sausage. But basically you cook the sausage with the onions, and then you add the tomatoes in there, the diced tomatoes and the crushed tomatoes in there. You add the basil, the salt and pepper, whatever you use to season it with, and cook it up and add the heavy whipping cream, and ta-da, mix it all up together, and that's the baked rigatoni. But if you're like me, sometimes I have to see the recipe first and then I go ahead and make it. But whenever I share a recipe, you guys are more than welcome to fix it the way you like. You can change things up. If you don't want to use sausage, you rather use beef, that's fine. If you want to use turkey instead of that, that's fine too. Whatever you want to use is up to you. And I will say it's only 1:17, and yes, I am cooking early. I try my best to cook early if I can, so like that when Destiny comes home, we can focus on homework and stuff like that. I don't have to worry about cooking. Luckily, John is home and he'll be the one picking her up from school today.
for one day. Let me lose myself again. Give me something for the pain. Always trying to pretend that I'm not living just a lie. Broken heart and shattered lives. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself. Oh, I knew how this would end. Oh, I knew that it would die, that we would come to this, that we would say goodbye. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Don't wanna think about the past. I'm crying out behind a mask. So give me something for the pain. I wanna lose myself again. Please get out of my mind. Just get out of my sight. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself. Oh, I knew how this would end. Oh, I knew that it would die, that we would come to this, that we would say goodbye. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Someone help me free this feeling. Oh, someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Someone help me see it. Oh, someone help me free this feeling.
Desi and I are actually doing homework. So she is learning cursive in 3rd grade, which I'm so happy about because I heard that not many schools teach cursive anymore. But she's learning. She's actually doing a pretty good job. Good job, Mama. And then John is over there making the salad and the dinner rolls to go along with our dinner tonight, since I already went ahead and made the main part of the meal. So that makes my life a lot easier while I work with Destiny's homework. I mean the whole word. So it says read the words. If a word has suffix, read the base word first. The base, like the main word. And then, hold on, sweetie, let me see. And then the whole word with the suffix. Be a detective and find the words with a suffix and underline or scoop the base word and circle the suffix. You know what to do. So what's the base word for this one?
Block.
Right, so the suffix for this would be
ing.
ing, which is blocking. So the main word is block and the ing would be the suffix. There you go. So camp, there you go. And camper, yeah, there you go. See, you got this, girl. So basically say if a word has a suffix, read the base word first. Okay, you got this. All right, guys, so I pretty much fed everybody. The kids will get ready to take a shower. It's still a bunch of pasta left, a bunch of salad. So what does this mean? Should I not have to cook tomorrow? I hope this is what it means, because that would make me so happy. But I do have a messy kitchen to tackle as well. To be so honest with you, I am very tired. I don't feel like cleaning up my kitchen. I don't feel like doing it, but I'm gonna do it, even though I don't want to do it. So let me get started on here.
if you have heard that in my world you're the light. Yeah, yeah. So buy me time, oh buy me time, baby. Oh, I know it's in the late hour. I've crossed the line too many times. Can I ask you for one more chance? 'Cause baby, you're on my world, my world. I know all the times that I've let you down, but baby, you're on my world, my world. Yeah, I'm begging you, please don't leave me out. Oh, it's true. Everybody knows how I feel now. No secret. It's all you. And even though I don't always show, you're the light. Yeah. So buy me time. Yeah, buy me time, baby. I'm still waiting in the late hour. I've crossed the line now, oh too many times. But can I ask you for one more chance? 'Cause baby, you're on my world, my world. I know all the times that I've let you down, but baby, you're on my world, my world. Ooh, I'm begging you, please don't leave me out. No, don't leave me out. You know I'll be missing you, love.
All right, y'all, so the kitchen is pretty much clean. The only thing left to do is we have to vacuum the floor and mop it. So John's gonna do that for me. He's gonna mop, vacuum, whatever. And he's also gonna cut up the strawberries. So I make sure that everything else is clean and done. Like, it feels so good. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. And keep a lookout for my next videos, you guys. Bye.
Me forever. Now you walk up.